Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to deploy an n8n workflow, so please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you run your automated workflows reliably. So first, you will have to create or open a workflow in n8n, so make sure that you are already logged into your n8n account, and then you will click Activate Workflow at the top right corner, which you can find right here once you're already logged in, and then you will review the trigger settings to make sure that your workflow runs correctly, and then you will test the workflow by clicking execute node or running the workflow manually, and once confirmed you will just leave the workflow active to run automatically based on triggers. And yeah, and by the way, if your screen looks different, you can check under workflow and then activate and then deployment settings. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.